Hi, and welcome to another Tools on Tuesday with Karl. Today we're going to be talking about increasing your confidence using your QTRAP. So we might find ourselves in a situation where we have a standard with a peak like this, and an unknown with a peak like this. Now these two look very similar. There's a slight difference in retention time, but we might not be sure if this is truly the compound we're looking for or if it's a different compound. So to do this, we're going to use our trap. When we think about a traditional MRM experiment, really what we're doing is we're monitoring the parent, we're fragmenting that parent, and then we're screening for a specific ion. But what our trap allows us to do is do something called an enhanced product ion scan. This is where we're monitoring for a specific parent, our fragmentation is still taking place, but then all of our ions are exiting our LIT, or our linear ion trap. And this essentially allows us to look at a compound's fingerprint. So if we go back to that example, we can say, is this standard the unknown sample? Well, let's compare its fingerprints. What did those look like? And when we take a look at our standard, we can see a fragmentation pattern that matches with our library fragmentation pattern. So we're confident in this result, but when we compare it to our unknown sample, we see no, these two fragmentation patterns don't match. We're not looking at the same compound. Thanks again for joining me on Tools on Tuesday, and I look forward to seeing you next time.